Hello there, YouTube. What is going on now? It's me, Gabriel Dale here, founder of WBFC or Weather Buddies Forecasting Central. I have a special guest on today. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hello there, everyone. This is Winter Cyclone, co-founder of WBFC.
Well, let's get in quick into this video. Sorry we don't have no special effects today for the video. It's because it's kind of short on hand, and we gotta get this recorded because a big bomb cyclone expected to hit the U.S. So let's get started with the video. All right. So the name of this video will be Major Bomb Cyclone Possible. 3 feet of snow possible for the Midwest. All right. Let's move on to the next slide. So we're just gonna do the total snowfall accumulation maps for right now. We're not gonna really dive into too much of anything else because this is a big cyclone that's expected to start off in Colorado and dive into Mexico and then make a track all the way up to pretty much Ohio, pretty much. Am I right? So this is gonna be a track into Ohio. It's gonna boomerang in that direction. So where is this possible 3 feet gonna be? Well, it's gonna be along this narrow corridor here. It actually doesn't show 3 feet, but I believe that it's gonna get somewhere between this amount showing here, and it may get closer to 24 inches. But again, just worth watching to see what happens and see how strong the storm system is going to be. So let's break this down. So for the Midwest, most of the Midwest, especially the Eastern Corn Belt, like right along Pennsylvania, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, you guys got some great snow chances in those areas. You can potentially see a lot of snow in, potentially see a lot of snow in Chicago, Illinois. Indianapolis, Indiana is going to get pretty much pelted in this. And then Ohio, Cleveland is going to be pelted in this too. There's a lot of snow in this. And this is not the only area we're going to be covering. We're going to be covering pretty much most of the areas that are expected to see the snow event. We're just starting off in the Midwest and the Northeast. But now diving towards the south, towards the lower Red River Valley and most of Missouri, and northern Arkansas are going to get pelted in this too. Again, if you guys live anywhere in these areas, just remember, be careful, be weather ready, and be weather safe. Also, I would also mention it to you guys, since this potential storm system is going to have a lot of wind with it, you guys should probably provide yourself a weather radio, so that way you guys are ahead of time and know when the storm's going to strike. Alright, now let's talk about the Intermountain West and the Rocky Mountains. Again, kind of typical for really north of Utah, but down in the south end, there is a lot more snow expected to hit these areas too, and especially for New Mexico, Colorado, Oklahoma, the panhandles of Oklahoma and Texas. And they need this. They need this because there's a bad drought in this area. So they need that real badly. But let's move on to the next slide here. Again, this next slide is going to show a different map. This was the GFS we viewed. Now we're going to view the Canadian model. Here we go. See, this is what... So the area that narrow corridor I was telling you guys about, this is where they could expect to see close to 3 feet. If not 2 feet at the max. Okay, so right northeastern Ohio, northwestern Pennsylvania, most of New York, and and Connecticut and I can't remember the names. Vermont and New Hampshire. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, so and as we go down further to the southwest, a little less, between let's just say 5 to 8 inches of snow. And then as we go further south, southwest, especially in Colorado, New Mexico, unfortunately Arizona's not going to be in on this one, but Colorado and New Mexico experience a lot of snow. Again, they need it in these areas real badly, especially in the southern plains. They definitely need it. This will help out a lot, definitely. Okay, moving on to the next slide. This is our final slide, and as I'm premiering this final slide, I'm also going to remind you guys that you guys have to be very, very careful. By the way, this is the Germany model. So guys, we ask that you be careful during travel. If you guys have any travel plans, please, please, please be careful. We don't want anybody getting hurt or any accidents occurring. That would be devastating. But just please be safe, because you never know when this will strike. So just have a weather radio on hand. Consult your local NWS or National Weather Service if you need to. Because again, I'm just doing this on a broad picture. Okay, so the Germany model has this corridor a little bit further to the north. So Indianapolis, Indiana could be seeing some good snow. Detroit, Michigan could be getting hit pretty hard, and it looks like Chicago, Illinois could be getting hit hard on this one too. So we'll have to wait and see. Now we're moving towards the Great Plains. There are some good snow chances there too, between 1 to 2 feet there, and then as we dive into the Intermountain West, really, really consistent with the previous model, showing between 4 to 5 inches. Same with Colorado. This is a little less in Colorado. The other two models had more in this area, rather than New Mexico and the Panhandles. But of course, every model is different, and you would expect it, to be different. But this is the last slide. Sorry, I have no 7-day forecast for you guys. Again, this was kind of on short notice, but hopefully you will enjoy this video. Oh yeah, and I want to quickly mention to you guys, I will be doing a live stream on Wednesday, and my friend here, Winter Cyclone will be with us too. Am I right?
You're right.
Yeah, so Winter Cyclone's going to be with us that day. He's going to be a special guest appearance on Wednesday. So we hope that you will join our live stream that day, and we hope you enjoy this forecast video. If you guys love weather-related content, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share with your family and friends. Also, don't forget to ring that bell notification so you can keep up with the latest. Alright, you guys have a good one. Ta-ta.